Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. And today we're diving into the best folding fan small on the market right now. If you're someone who's constantly on the go, or just looking for a super compact cooling solution for your space, you're gonna love this one. We're talking about the LIPETY Portable Foldable Rechargeable Oscillating Fan. Let's see what makes this little gadget a summer must-have. Right out of the box, the LIPETY fan feels solid but super lightweight, clocking in at just around 1.1 kilograms. It's got a sleek black design, modern and minimal, and the first thing you'll notice is how compact it is when folded, only about 4 inches high. But then, when fully extended, it reaches up to 40 inches, making it incredibly versatile for wherever you want to place it, on your desk, floor, bedside table, or even as a standing fan while you're camping or on the go. This adjustability is actually one of its biggest strengths. Whether you want a low-profile breeze while working or need a fan blowing from across the room, you can stretch it to the perfect height. And the whole process takes just a few seconds: pull, tilt, adjust, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about performance. The LIPETY fan comes with 4 speed settings, from a soft breeze to a strong wind. And also includes a natural wind mode, which mimics the rhythm of real wind for a more natural feel. Even at the higher speed settings, the fan stays surprisingly quiet, staying in the 30 to 40 decibel range. That's barely louder than a whisper, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or quiet office spaces. Controlling it is super convenient too. It comes with a remote that lets you switch speeds, control oscillation, and even set a timer. There's also a sleep mode for extra quiet operation at night. The fan oscillates 70 degrees side to side and tilts up to 75 degrees up and down. Plus a full 180-degree rotation back and forth, so no matter where you're sitting, you're covered. Let's talk battery life. It's powered by a 7,200 mAh rechargeable battery, and LIPETY includes a USB-C cable in the box. Charging takes about 4 hours, and depending on your settings, you'll get anywhere between 5 to 20 hours of use. And yes, it supports use while charging, so you're never stuck without a fan. Another thing that's often overlooked: cleaning. The front grille is detachable, so cleaning out dust or lint is super easy. And the base has a non-slip silicone pad to keep it stable on most surfaces, even when oscillating. When it's time to pack up, this fan folds right down into a super compact unit that you can drop into a backpack, suitcase, or even a large drawer. It's perfect for travelers, campers, or even for tossing into the car for a road trip. So if you're looking for the best folding fan small that's packed with features, easy to carry, and actually performs like a full-sized fan, the LIPETY Portable Foldable Rechargeable Fan should definitely be on your radar. It checks all the boxes: quiet, adjustable, remote-controlled, USB-C powered, and incredibly versatile. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more no-nonsense reviews of gadgets that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.